What's up, y'all? The Lulu Boy 2012. I'm here for another roast. So, the roasting for today is Transformers Botbots. So, I have no idea to roast about this show, so I'm roasting this. Matter of fact, it came from Netflix. It's a Netflix TV series. So, please like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Are you ready? Let's start the video, shall we? Warning, this video is a comedy and violence. Do not watch this video. It's not for kids. Let's start the roast video. Bro, we just started even though it doesn't still not yet the damn intro. Almost of your niggas just become a freaking logo. Except this one nigga with color orange with chainsaws that shape like bunny ears. What the hell? Then he's trying to pretend his ass to be the letter T as part of the Netflix logo. The hell? Yo, what the hell just happened to the goddamn wall? Why is it got powdered pink? Or I mean the spray pink. The hell? Bro, objects just become like this with hands and feet and face? What the hell is going on? Bro, objects had become to life. This is not Secret Life of Pets. Calm down. Emotionless birds. Bro, matter of fact, party start. You just broke the CCTV camera? Bro, Botbots? What the hell, fake ass? I don't know. Bro, did I just see shit? Be anything like a hot dog or ice cream? Nah, hell no. Bro, those three niggas as Botbots, they just ruined that security camera's hair. Bro, there's nothing wrong here. Stop staring into my soul. Why a burger became a Botbot? What the hell? I'm gonna get out of here. Get scorched.